Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver door power window switch. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Okay, now removing this complete switch assembly is quite easy actually. The best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover, that way you won't make any damage to the plastic. If you don't have one, you can use a flat screwdriver, just be a bit more careful then. So all you have to do, you have to gently pry out all around to pop out that switch, just like this, you see. And once you have it out, you want to lift it up and pull towards yourself. And you have the switch out. And now the only thing left to do is to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors. Okay, now first to disconnect this big connector, you'll have like a small tab just here in the middle which you want to press and then just pull it out. Very easy to do. Okay, and the other one, you also just have to push here on this tab and it will just pop out. I'm trying to work with one hand, so hopefully I'll be able to do it. Okay. Okay, just like that. And that's it. This is how you can remove the switch, and once you have the new switch you can just connect the wires and insert it back in. It's very easy to do. I will also show you on the back side of the switch. So on this side you'll have this like a plastic tab which will go just under here, and this other side has this like a spring or whatever which just pops out. You have a couple of options so where you can buy this switch. You can get it brand new from a Nissan dealer, but that's the most expensive option. Your other option is getting an aftermarket one anywhere online or in a car parts store. And your third and cheapest option is just try to find a used one at your local car salvage and get it out yourself. And that shouldn't cost you more than $20–25. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.